Good morning, everyone. I'm Professor S. Gopalakrishnan, Department of Master of Computer Applications. In this session, I'm going to present about constants, arrays, and strings under object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is having a primary constraint and key concept. Under the key concept, we are having three different concepts: constants, arrays, and strings. Constants are similar to variables, but their values are fixed and cannot be changed after definition. Arrays is the collection of similar data type under one variable. Array is a collection of similar item which are stored in a consecutive memory locations of a. Strings are used to storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. Constants. Constants refer to the fixed values that may not be changed or altered. It is also called as literals. Constants are treated as like regular variables except that their values cannot be changed after their definition. Constants can be of any data type, that is, constants of literals, that is, integer literals, floating point literals, Boolean literals, character literals, and string literals. Constants of literals are integer literals, float literals, Boolean literals, character literals, and string literals. Declaration of constants. That is, constant can be declared by two ways. It is has defined preprocessor, const keyword. So we are using the const keyword to declaring the constant, or we can declare it with has defined and preprocessor variable is to be mentioned. Syntax of constant for has defined preprocessor, that is has defined constant under name value. For constant const keyword, const data type variable name. So in this way we can declare the constant in the program. This is the example program. Here the constant is declared. So pi value is constant wherever we are using. So this program is used to finding out the area of circle. So for that we have declared variables like floating point number, that is a data type, area and radius. To calculate the area and radius of a so based on these two values, so we are going to calculate the area of circle. That area of circle formula is area equal to pi into radius into radius. So the pi value is the constant value. So we can declare the variable pi. It is in the form of floating point data type. That floating point data type pi variable is declared as a constant variable. So we have used the const variable, const keyword, while declaring the variable pi. So here we have declared the constant variable, that values are constant here. So if we are declaring the values of constant is common, by the time we have declared like has defined, then value. Next is arrays. An array is a collection of similar data type which are stored in a consecutive memory location under a variable. It is used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. All arrays consist of contiguous memory locations. Lowest address corresponds to the first element and the highest element corresponds to the last element. The memory locations in the array are known as elements of array, which can be accessed with reference to its position in array, and this is called as